Every consumer has a choice. You, me, and the rest of the world. What we wear is a reflection of what we choose to wear. Therefore, apparel is our second skin. Where we buy it from, who do we support while we make these choices, is actually a story worth sharing. I'm Rubana Haq, President of the Bangladesh Garment Manufacturers and Exporters Association, and today I'd like to take you through a story of going green and having the growth in Bangladesh. Being the second largest exporter, Bangladesh garment industry is now making continuous strides for going green proactively and is today the global leader with the highest number of green factories.
Bangladesh has invested millions of dollars in achieving results in green production, in green factories that are probably unparalleled in their scale in any other country in the world.
Workers experience world-class environment with standard air quality, health and hygiene, pure drinking water, and much, much more.
এখানে পরিবেশ অনেক সুন্দর, সুশৃঙ্খল। অফিসটা আসলে গ্রিন ফ্যাক্টরি, চারিদিকে সবুজ গাছপালা, এইজন্য আমার অনেক ভালো লাগে। স্কাইলাইট আছে যা দ্বারা আমরা সূর্যের আলো পেয়ে থাকি এবং সুন্দর মতো কাজ করতে পারি। এখানে সময় মতন আমরা বেতন পাচ্ছি, ডাইনিং এ খাবার খেতে পারি সবাই একসাথে, পরিমাণ মতন খুব জায়গা আছে, আমাদের সবার অনেক ভালো লাগে। তো আমার এই ফ্যাক্টরি অনেক ভালো লাগে, সব মিলে আমরা অনেক ভালো আছি।
It is for the buyer's benefit that you highlight all the green and responsible production units and somehow trace them and identify them and show it to your consumers that you are producing from the better factories of the world and you are responsible for the environment and for the climate.
Energy efficient technologies are now saving natural resources and keeping emission minimized, and of course, protecting the planet. The industry is also proceeding to the path of decarbonization in order to ensure a sustainable and a climate-resilient growth. With all the green steps being taken in the factories going green, Bangladesh also deserves a green price. Bangladesh's current reality reflects prices decreasing while the effort towards sustainability is racing towards excellence.
The reality today is all these upcharges, the extra cost that we put into the factory, is the buyer willing to pay additional for that?
We do not see any price reflection on the green production.
Green factory cost us more than 20-25% additional expenses we have to incur for green factories. But the sad part is that the customers are not giving us that price. We don't want a 25% higher price, but we only want a sustainable and competitive just price.
While Bangladeshi entrepreneurs invest in sustainability to protect the people and the environment, the ecosystem of the apparel industry needs to be sustained through meaningful partnership from brands and retailers who source from Bangladesh. 4.1 million people depend on the industry for their livelihood. Thus, the industry needs really strong strategic alignments to be resilient. While machines come in, Bangladesh pleads with the world to ensure that the jobs are supported and that a fine balance between sustainability and consumption, quality and quantity is reached. At the end of it all, Bangladesh does end up being your most competitive sourcing hub. And along with competition and the competitive edge, we also offer you absolute excellence in terms of adherence to compliance. We've had 7 long years of remediation, and Bangladesh has come to a level where green really makes sense, not only in terms of the buildings and the safety features that come along with it, but also with the human appeal that the country has. So while we urge you to source from Bangladesh, please remember that we need you to be the better and the best partner of all, supporting millions of lives in Bangladesh, without which support we would all be lost and all these lives would be in peril. So, go human, go green, and make it right by choosing the label Made in Bangladesh, a true label which literally really reflects dignity and pride.